raining already? Well, this is the first day. I will try. Wait, let me just do this first. That's it. Alright. Showery, shower. Now, clean myself up and let's go. Oh, let me try that. Olivia. Aurora. What is it, Audrey? It's the first day of school. What? You told me. I told you many times you got see you were asleep. Oh yeah. Now I will. Yep. Then I should wear this one. Then what would you wear? I will just wear this. Well, it suits me well. And you just get a cap.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, let's get our stuff. Got my bag. You got yours? It's in. Hey, that's my phone. Oh, sorry.